guys, it's JustGlasses here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to review Gleaming Stones palette by Sephora, and I'm going to show you also the new products from Sephora. It is not my first time trying this palette. I was working at Sephora when this palette came out, but I wanted to create a look using this palette, and I also wanted to show you a few of the colors and the pigments and the payouts that you're going to have. I never did something like this before. I don't know how actually reviewing works, but I just did something. I just wanted to film something, and I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in such a long time, so without more further ado, keep on watching. Okay, before we get started, excuse the noise in the background. This is a very hot room right now, so I had to crack open a window. As you can see, I did the eye and the face off camera. I'm going to just show you, yes, how I'm going to do the other eye. So let me just zoom you. Hi. Yes, I have pores, okay? Skin texture is natural, and I'm working on it. So here's the palette, and I'm going to start with, what's it called? Ray of Light. Oh no, I have to prime first. I'm going to prime with the balm, put a lid on it. Pat, 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 pat. Now I'm going to go with Ray of Light. This is just a start color, very close to my natural crease color, so I can blend more easy. Then I'm going to create my shape using Topaz, which is a beautiful burnt orange color. I love this shade, and it's so pigmented, so beautiful. I'm just tapping off the excess because it does fall out a bit. As you can see, I'm tapping the brush. I'm just putting on the color first, also in the inner corner as well. Just a bit more blended, bit more saturated, because I'm going to go in with Vitality, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to blend those corners. They're really easy to work with, they're really easy to blend, and honestly I think anyone can blend like a pro using these eyeshadows. Next I'm going to move on to the middle of my eye, and I'm going to go in with this shade. It is called Jewel. Then I'm going to put Diamond on top of it. And with the lower lash line, I'm going to take Power, this burgundy purple shade. I don't know. It looks good. And I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. I want the shape to go up, not in, so I don't put any product. Usually put highlighter down here. I only focus on the corner. Then I'm going to take Azurite, which has the most fallout. Like, I dipped my brush and has a dent in it, as you can see, but the color is beautiful, so I'm just going to use that anyway. And I'm going to put Azurite only in the corner of my eye. Yeah, it does put my eye down a little bit, but as you can see, when I put my eyeliner, it brings up. I don't know, I don't think this is the most perfect eye shape for myself, but I like it. And I simply just don't care. I'm going to put my eyeliner on, and this is Colorblock liner, which is also a new in Sephora. I picked the shade Hot Chocolate. I'm moving all over the frame, I know. I'm trying to see my mirror, okay? I'm going to put on my lashes, which It is also new at Sephora. Actually, it's not, but it is the latest mascara that they had. This is Size Up. It is a vegan formula, and it claims that it brings volume. Ever seen the wand of Too Faced Better Than Sex? It is really similar to that. They gave this to me when I was working at Sephora. I don't work there anymore. Surprise! This is the one coat. I did put on a single coat here, but I wanted to do a second coat because I think the second coat brings the mascara more and brings the lashes more volume. And I'm just going to put on the second coat here. It kind of looks like spider legs. I think I messed it up, or it dried a little bit. I don't know. Alright, that's how I did the eye look. Okay, zoom you out. We're gonna put on masks a lot this year, so go big on the eyebrows or the eyeshadow. Just go big. But since I'm not wearing a mask right now, I'm going to apply a lip balm. This is by Lip Stories, which, if you know me, if you're not new to my channel, you would know that I love Lip Stories lipsticks. When I first saw this in the store when I was working there, I just thought of like, okay, I need this, I need every shade. But I only picked 2. It was the most selling shade in the Lip Stories lipsticks, and I wanted to try the most selling lip balm as well. It is so good. It doesn't feel sticky. It gives a nice tint to the lips. And this is the look. I really like this. I really do. So I give it a thumbs up. It is a precious collection piece in my makeup collection. And final thoughts about the rest of the products. My favorite is going to be the eyeliner, because I did wanted to buy a brown eyeliner for myself. I do think brown eyeliner looks beautiful on my complexion, and I do recommend, if you have a similar complexion to me, I do recommend this eyeliner. My not so favorite is Size Up. I think there are a lot of mascaras in the market that you can buy and will look similar to this, maybe even better, but I did not buy this product. I was gifted, so I'm not going to say anything more. If I did spend money, I probably would like it more. Alright, that concludes my review on Sephora's new products. I'm going to film another new at Sephora video. I have a few more products coming and I wanted to try them as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I make videos just like this, or not like this. I do videos period. Let me know what you think of the products, and let me know what you think of this look down in the comments below. As usual, I will see you guys in the next video. Keep your glasses on. Toodles.